First, I want to compliment you. Your age, them say you're 50, and you have the body of a 24-year-old. Amazing body. You look good. Them are going to gas you, and every man on here, every man would like have sex with you. So you're going to read your comment section and I say, yeah, you feel good about yourself.
The post that sparked it? Lisa posing in a swimsuit, heels, and holding her dog on a leash. Foota Hype says that's not confidence, it's a cry for attention.
Now, one of the picture, you put the camera ground and the picture take upward, so it take the picture right under your crutches, you and the dog, and just again, I'm selling myself like politician, ambassador for Jamaica. You have a whole heap of accolades in a society.